Effective strategies for client meetings and negotiation. Maximizing efficiency and productivity during negotiations. Presentation overview. Client meeting preparation. Prepare for a client meeting by researching the client and identifying their needs, goals, and pain points. This helps to build rapport and trust with the client. Negotiation techniques. Negotiation is an important skill when working in a client facing role. Learn how to negotiate effectively, including how to identify common pitfalls and how to respond to difficult clients. Credit committee process. When presenting deals to a credit committee, it is important to understand the process and the role of credit analysts. Learn how to work effectively with credit analysts and how to present deals in a clear and concise manner. Preparing for client meetings, researching the clients. Before a client meeting, it's important to research the clients thoroughly. This includes identifying decision makers, understanding their needs and requirements, and reviewing any relevant industry news or trends that may impact the client's business. Preparing an agenda. Preparing an agenda is essential to ensure that the meeting stays on track and that all necessary topics are covered. The agenda should be shared with the clients before the meeting to ensure that their expectations are aligned. Understand the client's needs. Understanding the client's needs is crucial to ensure that the meeting is productive. This includes listening actively to their concerns and requirements, asking questions to clarify their needs, and offering solutions that meet their needs. Researching client. Financial statement analysis. Analyzing a client's financial statements is a valuable tool for understanding their business. It can help you identify their financial health, profitability, and potential risks. Industry research. Researching a client's industry can provide valuable insights into their business. It can help you identify market trends, competitors, and potential opportunities. Strengths and weaknesses. Identifying a client's strengths and weaknesses is essential for developing effective strategies. It is important to understand your unique value proposition, competitive advantage, and potential areas for improvement. Preparing for meeting. Preparing for a meeting is key to ensuring a successful outcome. We'll explore how to prepare for the meeting, including creating an agenda, anticipating questions, and preparing materials. Negotiating with clients. Understanding the client's perspective. Understanding the client's perspective and needs is crucial when negotiating with clients. By doing so, you can tailor your approach and offer solutions that meet the client's expectations. Setting clear objectives. Setting clear objectives and goals for the negotiation helps to avoid misunderstandings and conflict. It is essential to prepare and have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. Building rapport. Building rapport with clients can help to establish trust and a positive relationship. It is crucial to communicate effectively and actively listen to the client's needs and concerns. Negotiation techniques. Effective negotiation requires the use of various techniques. Active listening, reframing, and asking open ended questions are some of the techniques that can help in achieving successful negotiations. Common pitfalls to avoid. Making assumptions. One of the most common pitfalls in negotiation is making assumptions, which can lead to misunderstandings and impede the negotiation process. Negotiating against yourself. Negotiating against yourself is another common pitfall to avoid. It is important to avoid making concessions before the negotiation process begins or without getting any concessions in return. Not having a clear partner. Having a clear partner, best alternative to a negotiated agreement, is crucial in negotiation. If you don't have a clear BATNA, you may be forced to accept unfavorable terms or walk away from the negotiation altogether. Presenting deals to credit committee. Credit committee process. The credit committee process is an essential part of the approval process for deals. It involves presenting deals to the credit committee and working with credit analysts to understand the approval criteria, prepare a credit memo, and address potential concerns. Working with credit analysts. When presenting deals to the credit committee, it's important to work with credit analysts to ensure that the deal meets the approval criteria. This includes preparing a credit memo that outlines the key details of the deal and addressing potential concerns that the credit committee may have. Deal approval criteria. Understanding the deal approval criteria is crucial when presenting deals to the credit committee. This includes factors such as credit risk, collateral, and financial performance. Understanding credit committee process, approval criteria. Credit committee process involves a set of approval criteria that credit analysts use to assess the creditworthiness of a borrower. These criteria include the borrower's credit history, income, and debt to income ratio. Role of credit analysts. Credit analysts play a crucial role in the credit committee process. They gather and analyze financial data and information to determine the creditworthiness of a borrower and present their findings to the credit committee. Decision-making process. The credit committee decision-making process involves a review of the borrower's creditworthiness, the loan amount, and the terms of the loan. The committee then decides whether to approve or deny the loan. Working with credit analysts, preparing a credit memo. A credit memo is a document that provides a summary of the borrower's financial information and creditworthiness. It is essential to prepare a comprehensive credit memo that includes all the relevant information that a credit analyst requires to make an informed decision. Analyzing potential concerns. Credit analysts may have concerns about the borrower's creditworthiness or financial history. It is essential to address these concerns proactively and provide supporting evidence that can alleviate the credit analyst's concerns. Providing supporting information. Credit analysts require supporting information such as financial statements, tax returns, and other relevant documents to assess the borrower's creditworthiness. It is essential to provide accurate and up-to-date information to the credit analyst to facilitate the approval process. Conclusion. Challenges in deal making. Attending client meetings, negotiating terms, and presenting deals to the credit committee can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can overcome these challenges and be successful in your deal making process. Valuable insights. This presentation has provided you with valuable insights and techniques that you can use to improve your deal making process, making it more efficient and effective. Thank you.